Hello, a cháirteann agus fáilte ar go Cluicheamaid, ar sin na dú cumál oirnn le Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Martin bha Black Schnauzer, dachas go bhfuil go maith. A sin éiad anna chluisin Jack an Seochai, ha miad bic an a bharach tena gama a chluich a channeomí ar a phríomh Sgeulachd hanneom ar sianaí enú gen phríomh Sgeulachd díreach na side quests agus a dálman gúirt jifaráitin is ruta mar sin gaiite an ainic sibh go bhfuil uitach na seaar acham ormanist agus ha míad kind of upgrade nu ra dhéanú gan weapons go deoch ach bharach ar sin mis go tíreach go dáise sin go déad sin a bhrín rí Sgeulachd agus hí sin na ha gra.
Eivor, in here.
What will you keep in this room?
My finest weapon. For this room is yours. Here you may lay your head, hang your axe, or be alone with your thoughts.
Seo mar acham scanne.
Suits me well, but I would be just as happy lodging with the raiders on the wharf. I need no special treatment.
This is not special treatment. I want you here in the Longhouse, close at hand. I may be the Jarl of this clan, but you and I lead together, as ever. So get acquainted with the room, and when you're ready, meet me at the stables.
Okay. So het gemór son is go bí sin is go Sigurd a cárta rein gus go bhfuil Jo gai veterin a cha iad íse rein go bhfuil sin dal a dhéanú rudigin donna so a heh Sigurd so a fas go lua. Oh yeah, so bha sin nar Jivan settlement is nursing colony is inisht sé Hamlet a han in your hamiad tuglich in the hogal. Hello, Chris the Catalyst Faucia dash Gudjach. Valka would like you to build her seers hut as soon as possible. Inchnach. Okay, so Shaw fara yunsi shin nusiringain tokal. Shaw lappy.
A bed better than many I have slept in, and a good place to recover.
Okay, Archer son began fosh ein. Agus dé hacin ana here.
Box for messages and requests.
Inchinach.
Not much, but it is mine.
Lichir úd. Lichir Sigurd. I mean, dachas go bhfuil an seomar seo a fricirst ost. At a sin a fás ar clúne as a chiad a seo, gus a déanú caratin agus cartra venúde bí a cutramach a bhí cumal an a touch le curí rand bhí litricha sa bí steig an a bhaxa seo seall iad ó am go ham. Cearst. Okay, so rand bhí anna hin. Cefil Sigurd. Ha mír bhí a Cluiche, a bharach ar Valhalla, ha mír bhí Cluiche... Oh, tuilleadh. A mír bhí Cluiche Dark Souls 3. Agus leis sin ha na controls a bharach in carrot I ailite.
Ready to ride at a moment's notice.
Count on it, my friend. The path ahead is bright.
With glory at its end.
Cefil is atá.
Farewell, Eivor.
What was that about? Is Basim leaving us already?
Sigurd means to leave as well.
J.
Is that true?
We know the sons of Ragnar have camped in the north. It would do us well to pay them a visit, to strengthen our ties to this land.
Is that where Basim has gone?
Basim's motives are his own. Leave it at that. We have more pressing plans. I'm riding to Leicestershire.
Leicestershire.
Eivor, I expect you to join me when you have finished here.
I can come now. I only need a horse.
Not yet. First speak with Randvi. She has more than one
Randvi. Stalin na Hanneman.
You must seek out alliances as well.
Inchinach.
Cannot pacify England with so few friends.
Then I must join you, Sigurd, for I am a fitter companion on long roads.
No, Dag. You belong here with the raiders.
Dag bach. A hwyl dyn ni'n codi, dydych mar. Okay.
Ride in safety, brother. I will follow as soon as I can.
Yes, and I will keep our raiders sharp. Do as Eivor commands. Is he testing me?
He may be. Sigurd is a wise man.
I'd sooner take orders from a louse.
Wel, sin o ffarach i'n carnionach o'r had dag ar fi tyth y lain gyrig eisiau. Okay, sgil yn ure. Hamydd mor an sgil yn ewn sychwch. Ac ni eisiau. Chain assassination. Jef eisiau. Explosive corpse. Hysyn caran caraf. Mae'r gybyg. Ach, cafod sy'n ei dal. Mi smen ti'n gweld mi giri. Last chance healing, sprint attack, auto melee link, emergency aim, dual swap. And we mentioned big emergency aim female, so let's check a Jachin education. Fire resistance training. I shouldn't female kajak. Commission yarn. Hí sin ha randhí a giadaí. Cymar a siúh hain a deanú a dú. A mi hain a cumál gyma. Iad bhí trang le opad ach a deanú fiúd is i deireadh eachcain agus ha mi an dáchas dulachar críoch Dark Souls 3 iad a deireadh eachcain i ha seo. So bhíh sin ma. Okay, well. But we do go to can ichin rutkin ach calls geregiach or son blending in markabug shun. Right round
You wanted to see me. As Sigurd has so ordered, it falls to us to expand our presence in England.
He wants to forge alliances, ironclad, with every Norse, Dane, and Saxon here.
Right. We are the outsiders here. Making friends will help.
Where do we start?
My scouts come and go daily with interesting news and tidings, and I'm beginning to get my bearings in this fractured land. As I learn more, I can give you insight into each territory before you commit to a journey there.
Of course.
Once you have gained an ally in a territory, return home and speak to me. We'll decide your next move then.
I understand. So where do we start?
You have two options just now. Join Sigurd in Leicestershire to the north and meet with the sons of Ragnar Lothbrok, or head south to Grantebridgeshire to meet an army of Danes led by one Guthrum Jarl and his second, Soma. And what's more, our young friend Hytham has been conferring with contacts of his own in the cities. I added his information to the map if you would like to know what he has discovered.
I want to see the alliance map.
Okay. If you want your settlement to thrive. Gierig and Jage Kamar with an assassin. Pledge to a territory to confirm your interest in an alliance. Okay. Letter chest. Sin lunin a chanio sin cuach gal gileada sin halst. Okay. So Jimmy letter.
Tell me more about Leicestershire. I should like to join Sigurd soon.
He traveled to a town called Repton to meet Ubba and Ivar Ragnarsson. As I hear it, they are on the verge of exiling the current king of Mercia. With the hope of installing a king of their own.
A bold endeavor. I should be there to help however I can.
I think you should.
Okay, well, Hitchinga Leicestershire. Mílig a mappa sin. The mappa mar sin. Is go gama
I will send word to
Costco.
Sigurd and the Ragnarssons, pledging your assistance. If I were you, I would go by ship. Repton.
Okay. Good tour. Okay. Well, ha mi smensin, ha mi ed mór an siúl a dhéanú, so ha mi ed mór an jena áitichen a larach mar go ha mi ed gáil tua fiús, chofat a tua sa súrin go. Ach cafod sin dá Repton, ha mi ed vi an mar ha, so So ni gan ddíreach fast travel dhéanam. Agus ruúta carta gra mi bhí cluiche seo ar a PC ha PC go cuach go hagamanist. Agus hana loading screens a seo chá garit. Ha bhí ar a bhí cluiche Assassin's Creed Odyssey a chiún gris ar an Xbox. So fé uair an minute nó 10 minute ar na loading screens ach I seo ha channe le chu sléiteach sin. Right.
Repton. Sigurd should be here with the Renaissance.
Okay. Bhílead.
Show me what lies ahead.
Bhí seo. Stay any here. Scanne. Well, smack bhfuil mi ann. Oh.
Who stands before Ivar Ragnarsson? Are you Sigurd Drenger? Igor!
Eivor. If you keep that up, I'll stain the floors.
The place could use some color.
Oh.
Who are they?
All spies. Dressed to look the part of a peasant. Got feisty. Pitchfork. From this rabid little one. Was a time when you met and slew your enemy on the field before they could dream of things like sending spies.
And now we shake hands and make deals.
Not my thing.
I figured.
I love them whipped, weeping, and reeking of piss. Hey! Good boy.
So chatalain Ivar. Can you joke it, yeah?
Piggy, to run them up to the Mercian fields.
Oh.
I would have let him down easy.
Follow me. I'll give you the tour.
Wow.
What do you call this place?
I call it the shithole. To the Mercians, it is Bhràthar. Their most revered kings are buried below the church. Imagine their weeping when we drove them out.
You plunged your knife deep into the heart of this kingdom.
That is right. We've got a number of Saxon nobles lined up with their lips puckered, ready to kiss our asses. The only holy is King Burgred and his war thane, Leofric. But my brother is brewing a plan to deal with them.
I take it that's where we'll find my brother.
Right. Talkers they are, Uba and Sigurd. Might want to dig the wax from your ears.
Okay.
Don't play me for a fool, Abba. I'm not going anywhere, Backrot. You have the king on his heels because of me. Because of my men.
For which you were paid. But that price does not change because you have caught a whiff of our hack-silver hoard.
You forget I am a sellsword. I ask what I please, and I take what I'm owed.
If I wanted to hear you talk shit, I'd gouge out your tongue and shove it up your ass. Now fuck off.
Wow. Had a dollar son Farrakin Game of Thrones of his wages anyhow.
But worry not, Uba. I have the warriors you need.
This is one of them. My worries have vanished.
Eivor, wolf-kissed, you have come at just the right time. Uba and Ivar here are hunting a king.
And when we caught him, we mean to crown another. Our dear Thane Shellwolf here.
Chell.
It's not a role I begged for, but it's what Mercia needs just now. A man to fairly rule both Saxons and Danes.
Eentje nog.
It It sounds like you'll be a king in name only. Competition.
I am doing mine. I hope you have come to do yours. We're going to need all the help we can get for what comes next.
Okie dokie.
King has refused our offers of peace. Jailwolf means to change that. There'll be a new king,
Jailwolf.
a new England.
For now, Burgred is holed up in his fortress at Tamworth, making a final stand.
Another shithole. Only further south.
We held a siege there for weeks with no effect. So, no more knocking. Now we batter the gate to splinters. We take Tamworth, remove Burgred and crown Jailwolf. Come morning, the Shire is ours. And Mercia soon after.
Yes.
Remove. I cannot stress that enough. Burgred is not... My legitimacy as king hangs on this one simple fact.
Eentje
You rob all the joy from war, Saxon.
Not every victory needs to be marked by the slaughter of a king.
But it is much better.
His request is fair, Ivar, and we will honor it.
This is a good
Hem hier
plan,
zo'n
brother.
taartje terug.
I am ready for the coming fight.
Agreed. Yet remember this. Whatever you stand to gain here, so do we. An alliance between my clan and Mercia's crown.
See this man installed on his throne and you will have it. I swear.
Sinnig daar.
The bold sons of Ragnar bellow to sound the spear din and the thunder of shields. So let fall the arrow storm. The battle begins.
Ah! You never said this one was a poet.
I need this.
We have a forward camp just north of Tamworth. Will you go with us?
Lead the way.
Scania.
In the sights of Repton if you like. We'll be at the docks when you are ready to go. I'm glad you and your brother have come. If only to bring some measure of calm.
Ease yourself, Jailwolf. We all stand to benefit.
Jailwolf.
You'll be remembered for this for years to come.
For all the wrong reasons, I fear.
Eentje The Chester arc started. The Kingmaker saga. Eentje Okay.